uSanele ke uzofulathela amaphupho akhe ebese zophila amaphupho kaBanele. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on iTonga from the 17th to the 21st of March 2025 on Monday. Sanele is welcomed into the construction world by both a threat and a gift. Pablo failed to get through to Zama, while Lungelo continues his little play at being the golden boy on Tuesday. Sanele is caught between principles and temptation. Zama's grief reaches a breaking point as tension erupts. Mbali must decide where her loyalty lies on Wednesday. The champion lifestyle starts to test bitter to Lungelo, and no wonder feels she knows what's best for her family, but will she only drag them to hell on Thursday? Mantuli falls apart until Mbali reminds the family who Sanele really is. Nkosinathi stands up for his brother only to be betrayed. An unlikely hero comes to the Magwaza's rescue on Friday. Mbali is broken over Sanele's decision while Lungelo's world falls apart. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.